Hi, my name is Paige, and today I'll be taking you through a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in PowerPoint.
For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Want to sound confident during your presentation? Let's add some speaker notes and polish your slides. Open PowerPoint and click on the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar. Now, select the slide that you would like to edit, copy it, and paste it into your Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Now say something like, write speaker notes for the slide in a conversational tone, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will generate notes for you. If you like them, copy them and paste them into your notes. Next, we're going to say, rewrite the text on this slide to make it clearer and more engaging. Once again, if you're happy with it, select it and paste it. Now your slides are sharp and your notes are ready to present like a pro.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in PowerPoint.